Welcome to your Craftiosity kit. We're so excited to share this month's project with you, the Floral Ribbon Embroidered Bag. Inspired by spring in full bloom, this calming and creative project blends soft ribbon and colorful threads to create a textured bouquet design on your very own jute tote. Whether you're totally new to embroidery or you've stitched a few masterpieces already, this is your time to slow down, stitch mindfully, and make something truly beautiful. Happy making! Inside your kit, you'll find 6 gorgeous ribbons in yellow, eggshell, emerald green, purple, pink, and royal blue, 6 shades of rich purple embroidery threads, a water erasable marker pen, a large eye needle for ribbon embroidery, and an embroidery needle, a natural jute bag, and your design template. Let's start with embroidering the hand. Take your printed design template and carefully cut out the outline of the hand. You only need to cut along the outer edge, no need to snip between the fingers. Place the hand template on one side of your bag. Angle the hand slightly upwards with the fist roughly in the center. Grab your water erasable pen and carefully trace around the hand outline. Once that's done, remove the template and draw in the finger lines using it as a guide. Time to thread up. Choose the embroidery thread you'd like to use to outline the hand. Cut a length, thread it through your embroidery needle, and tie a knot at the other end. Bring your needle up through the back of the fabric. Make a small stitch along your pen line, then take the needle down through the fabric again. Next, bring the needle up a little further along the line, about the same length as your first stitch, and stitch backwards into the end of the previous stitch. Keep going using this backstitch method to outline the whole hand. When you're done, fasten off with a knot on the inside of the bag. Let's make a ribbon stitch flower. Cut a 60 cm length of pink ribbon. Trim one end at an angle to make threading easier, then thread your large eye needle. To secure your ribbon, you can either tie a knot in one end, or for a neater finish, fold the other end over twice. Pass your needle through the folds and pull to secure. Bring your needle up from the back of the fabric, right where you want the center of your flower. Decide how long you want your petal. We made ours about 1.5 centimeters. Bring your needle down into the fabric through the ribbon near the tip of the petal. If it feels a little tight, gently wiggle the needle to widen the ribbon hole. Be careful not to pull too tight. We want those petals pretty and puffy. Keep adding petals, all from the center out. Leave a little gap in the middle. That's where we'll add a French knot. Let's knot it up, French style. Thread a length of yellow ribbon. Bring your needle up through the fabric from the back. Pinch the ribbon about 2 to 3 centimeters from the fabric. Hold your needle diagonally across it, point facing down. Wrap the ribbon around the needle. More wraps equal bigger knot. Hold everything steady, then push the needle back into the fabric just next to where it came out, not the same hole. Slowly pull the needle through and there you go, a gorgeous French knot. Want more? Repeat the process. Now for a lazy daisy flower. Decide how many petals you'd like and use your marker to dot the center and each petal point. Thread your needle with cream-colored ribbon. Bring the needle up from the back, fold the ribbon to create a loop, and go back down into the same hole, but hold that loop in place. Bring your needle up just inside the top of the loop. Make a tiny stitch over the loop to anchor it. Repeat for as many petals as you like. Lazy daisy flower center, more French knots. Thread yellow ribbon again and create French knots in the center, just like you did earlier. Vary the size and number to suit your design. Let's add another flower using purple ribbon loops. Thread your needle with purple ribbon and bring it up through the fabric. Form a loop to your desired petal size and hold it in place. Go back down just beside where you came up, not the same hole. Repeat the process to make more petals, holding each one in place as you go. Now add grape hyacinth flower. Using French knots, use your marker to draw a tall, narrow triangle. Thread your needle with blue ribbon. Fill the triangle with French knots in various sizes. Pack them closely so the fabric underneath doesn't show. Add more knots to fill any gaps and shape your flower. Stems and leaves time. Let's stitch some stems. First, a straight stem. Thread green ribbon and bring your needle up under your flower. Make a long stitch down to the edge of the hand outline, then go back down and fasten off. Then make a twisted stem. Bring your needle up between petals, twist the green ribbon tightly, and lay it down to the hand outline. Go back down and fasten off. Add leaves. Thread green ribbon again. Bring the needle up beside a stem, making it look like it's coming from underneath. Decide your leaf size, then make a ribbon stitch, going back through the ribbon tip like before. Add more leaves wherever you like, then fasten off. Finish the bottom stems. Draw your bottom stem layout with the erasable pen. Stitch them using the same green ribbon and style as before. And that's it. Your ribbon embroidered bag is complete. But don't stop if you're still in the stitching zone. You can keep adding flowers or decorate the other side of your bag too. Thanks so much for stitching along with us. We loved crafting with you.